told me to fight back. I'm not afraid of it. I've been here before. In this life, I will serve my penance. When I die, I will return. I will be like you. Michaela, I will be pure. Trust me, I am far from pure because you haven't unburdened yourself. For there is nothing hidden that will not be disclosed, nothing concealed that will not be illuminated. What